Hi guys, Jeff at Slaylands Racing. This video is about how to install an Acerbis Oversized gas tank on a 23 KTM 300XC. This would also apply to XCF, SX, and SXF, and then the similar Husqvarna models. All right, so for 23, they've moved the fuel pump to the top here. In the past, it came in the back, 1 year straight from the back, another year kind of an angled from the back. And then the pump actually sat down way over here and was bolted in the bottom over here. Well, you can see there's nothing on the bottom of this. It's totally closed here. So nothing goes down in there. And in the past, it was kind of difficult to feed all those feed the pump down to this bottom of the tank and get it connected. This year, it's about as simple as it gets. All right, so this is not a start to finish video by any means. Because I already took the seat and the tank off the bike, and I had this new tank almost already installed before I stopped and thought, well, shoot, I should make a video for you guys. So anyhow, it's just going to be a quickie here. All right, so obviously remove the seat and then the tank. That's pretty straightforward. And let's see, but the only thing that really holds the tank on is this bolt right here in the middle. Looks like this. And then obviously the shroud bolts in the front, and then you got to remove the shrouds as well. All right, guys, so the basics of it is you just have to remove these, what most guys like to call wood screws. That's what they look like, kind of. You remove all four of those. You remember that the line goes straight down, and it just pulls right out. So there is a filter on the bottom of it here that kind of bends some when you take it out. But another little detail here is you don't have to drain the tank completely. You can see that this is the fuel that I took out of this tank, and you can see that it's sitting up there. There's fuel sitting in here, but yet I don't have a leak. So you don't have to drain them completely. It should be probably at least over half empty, maybe only a third of the fuel. I don't know, but anyhow, so you just yank that one out and then it just drops right back into here. You don't have to do anything special to get it in. It just falls in, bam, you put your screws back in there, the four wood screws, put the tank back on the bike. It's really that simple, guys. When you're putting the tank back on, make sure you feed the line down into its position. And you might want to note where that line pulls out of when you're taking the tank off, so you don't get confused about where the line goes, the fuel line. I think that's really about all there is to it. It's, like I said, it's about as quick and wham bam, thank you ma'am, as it comes. So hopefully this helps you out a little bit. Please like us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. We really appreciate that. Give us a shout out once in a while, and I hope to see you out on the trails this year here in Colorado, or maybe somewhere else. Get out for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.